In this instructional video, you'll see how to assemble the Vintage View IDR series racks. To begin, verify that you have all of the required components by laying them out. Each full IDR rack uses one set of cross rails, which is 3 pieces, 6 WS series racks, 2 T-shaped uprights, and 2 sections of display rack. Additionally, you will receive a hardware pack and accessories which contain a screw and bolt pack for the cross rails, a presentation rack parts pack with 3 machine screws and nuts, 4 footer pads, 6 plastic end plugs for the uprights which may come installed in the uprights, 2 50mm bolts with nuts and washers, the plastic parts bags from each of the WS series racks, and the IDR assembly toolkit. To begin assembly, attach the 3 cross rails to one side of the T-shaped uprights using the provided self-tapping screws. Next, attach the other side of the cross rails to the second upright. To complete the frame assembly, thread the footer pads into the bottom of the upright and tighten. Start with 2 base sections from the WS series rack and insert the rack alignment tool from the IDR assembly toolkit through the center mounting hole and slide the shaft of the tool through the outermost pre-drilled hole in the cross rail. Place the second base strip on the alignment tool and hold in place. Insert a nut into the nut driver provided in the IDR assembly toolkit and place into the top mounting hole and tighten the bolt in place from the other side. Repeat these steps alternating between base and neck strips. The assembled base should look like this. Next, assemble the 2 pieces of the presentation rack back to back using the 3 10mm long bolts with nuts provided. Place the assembled presentation rack in position with the L brackets on either end cupping the upright. Secure the presentation rack using the provided 50mm bolts with nuts and washers. Tighten the bolt firmly. Put on the finishing touches by snapping the mounting hole caps in place. Put the finished rack in place and load with wine. Stand back and enjoy the Vintage View.